हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज बहुत दिन बाद तुमसे रूबरू हुई हूँ। बीच में कुछ कारणों से मैं तुम लोगों से मिल नहीं पाई, ना तुम लोगों को कोई कहानी सुना पाई। सॉरी फॉर दैट बच्चों। आज तुम लोगों को नीति मैम जापानीज़ गिफ्ट बॉक्स, जिसे सैम्बो कहते हैं, वो बनाना सिखाएंगी। इट्स अ वेरी लवली एंड नाइस। तो चलें हम लोग नीति मैम के पास। आज तुम लोग सैम्बो बॉक्स बनाना सीखो। इसमें तुम कोई भी गिफ्ट रख सकते हो और किसी भी तरह से आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं अपनी सोच के हिसाब से। तो चलो नीति मैम के पास चलते हैं।
Hello friends, today I am going to teach you a very beautiful gift box, origami gift box. It is a Japanese gift box. Its name is Sambo. And the beauty of this box is there is no Fevicol, no scissor, no glue, no pencil, no rubber, no sharpener. Without the help of any instrument, you can make this box. And the instruments are required your 10 fingers, that's all. And for this only one square piece of paper is required. Depend on the size. You want big size, you take more big paper. If you want a small size, you can take a smaller size of paper. And this box you can make with color paper, you can make with old calendar paper, magazine paper, handmade paper, any kind of little thick paper you use. If you have thin paper, you just join it, or you can use newspaper and apply one backside, one white paper. So I am doing with the origami paper, and this is the craft paper I am doing. So I have taken one square. Okay, now what we have to do, first we will fold the square paper diagonally. This is called diaper fold from one side. Again I will repeat the same step from other side. So both sides I will fold the paper. Then what I will do, I'll bring all the four corners in the center. All the four corners I will bring towards the center. I'll crease it all the four corners toward the center, and you should do neat creasing. Always use inverted thumb to crease all the lines. Okay, the beauty of this box is, I told you earlier, that no scissor, no Fevicol. Okay, now after making all the four corners in the center, just fold it back side. This, make a triangle. Okay, just fold it back side, make a triangle. Then what you have to do, you hold it like this and fold it again upside. Fold it again upside. Okay, it is become like a kite. Again unfold it, turn the paper, again fold it inside, upside, again make a kite. So both sides we have done the folding upside. Now what we have to do, we have to hold it from one hand up, and this is triangular we will keep, and other hand we will just push it inside. We will squeeze it inside. Okay, same procedure we will repeat other side also. Holding from up, and other hand we will squeeze it and we will fold it upside. Okay, so this is, now again you get a kite shape, and here you are getting two pockets. Put your finger in the pocket and bring them down. Bring them down. Just put your finger in the pocket and bring them down. This is pentagon shape you will get. Same procedure we will repeat from other. Put these pocket, put your fingers and pull them down, so that you get pentagon. Okay, this pentagon, again you change the side. Just change the side. Now no break is here. And what you have to do, again just corner you bring towards the center line. All the four corners again you fold towards the center line. Front side I have folded. Same thing I will repeat from back side. All the corners we will fold towards the central line. Just half folding towards the central line. Okay, and then this is the flap. We will fold it down. We will fold it down. Both sides we will fold it down. And the magic begins. our box is ready. This is a beautiful box. I hope you will like it. You can use to keep on your dressing table, or you can keep on your study table. Small gift you can keep. You can make little big box, put some chocolates in this and cover it with plastic cover, give as a gift. You can use this Sambo in any way. I hope you will like this Sambo very much. Thank you.